And if you look like what you're going through, then you need a reset. You need an entire reset, because you shouldn't look like what you're going through. Hi everyone, I hope that you guys are all doing well and shining your beautiful light bright. For those of you that are new here, my name is Rosani, and I help you shine your light brighter and inspire and motivate you to be the best version of yourself. If you are returning, welcome back in. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about being confident and what does being confident mean. You know, do you feel the best about yourself? And if not, then how come? What can you start doing to start taking better care of yourself? And taking better care of yourself can start off with small things. Like, it could start off with you flossing your teeth and making sure that you're brushing 2 times a day, making sure that you're cleaning inside of your ears, making sure that you have a little face care routine that takes care of yourself, making sure that you're taking care of your body when you're in the shower. Like, are you really washing yourself up, or are you just using the soap real quick? That's not you being mindful and being present in the moment with yourself. When you're putting lotion on your body, are you speaking affirmations to yourself? Are you showing yourself love? Doing little things like that can start to make you feel more confident within yourself. You do not have to be the best looking person in the world to have confidence. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So with that being said, like, I know people that face wise is not all up to par, but they take care of themselves and they have this glowing confidence within them. And that's what a lot of people need. They just need to find confidence within themselves to be the best version of yourselves. Because if not, then life will literally pass you by, and before you know it, you're 50, 60, 70, 80 years old, and you're like, what did I do with my life? Because it just flew by. So you need to start being a little bit more mindful and start creating more peace for yourself. Start creating those small moments within the day, 5 minutes, 10 minutes to yourself, to enjoy what the creator has created, to enjoy some silence, enjoy some time to yourself, some time for you to think, some time for you to not have 1,000,001 things to do. The to-do list is never ending because the universe is never ending. There's always going to be constantly something to do, something to accomplish, something to learn, something to take care of, something to handle. You have to start getting used to that. Like, you have to start being like, okay, what's next? Let me see what else can I do within life. Let me see what else is coming my way. And the more you start to do things for yourself, the more you start looking at challenges and obstacles as just lessons and opportunities to learn, the better they will become. If you want to get somewhere, you have to start moving up levels and doing things that will help you evolve. Like creating peace for yourself, making sure that, you're up to par internally. You can start getting your groove. And start paying attention to the cycles of nature, right? Like, now we're in the springtime, summer is right around the corner. Everything is about to start coming to life. Everything is about to start being their best kind of version of themselves. Like, the trees are blooming, the flowers are blooming, the sun is getting hotter. And you need to be the same within yourself. Start doing things for you. Start having a little bit more confidence. Start putting on your best outfits. Don't wait for the right moment, because the right moment will never arrive. Life will literally pass you by if you're not paying attention to yourself. And if you look like what you're going through, then you need a reset. You need an entire reset, because you shouldn't look like what you're going through. You should look better. So I just had this quick little message about being more confident, making sure that, you're keeping up with yourself, making sure that you're creating peace within yourself. Make sure to always strive to be the best version of yourself by doing just little things like, reading 10 pages a day or putting on a documentary. It could be the smallest thing, eating more intentional, being more mindful before you eat, thanking the creator for this food, thanking Mother Earth for this beautiful nature that we have been blessed with. Start off with gratitude. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Later, guys.